All right, you guys ready for a pike? Because it's probably gonna happen if I don't get rained out. There we go. A basset turtlehead. Look at that. The fish looks so good. Look at that. Okay. He splashed me and he went that way. Oh, got him. That's a bass. Yes, number 2 of the day. Fish it slow. Not very big, but hey, maybe like a pound. Fish it slow. One on the craw, one on the bug. Yes. That was a bite. Got him. Oh, he came off. What was that? I got bit off by a pike, didn't I? I sure did. I got bit clean off. There's fish down here for sure. Look at this. Check this out. Look at it. You see that? Bit clean off by a pike, but that's okay. It happens. That would have been my 3rd fish. But hey, it happens. One more fish, come on. 2 bass, bit clean off by a pike, and of course, look what's happening. Now the rain's gonna come in, now that I finally got something going. That's okay. I love how I went from doing, you know, just a lot of traveling and crazy filming and all this stuff to just hanging out and fishing, like I keep telling you guys. Figure I'd double check, make sure I don't have any abrasion. You got to check for that when you're using fluorocarbon, even though I know I was bit off by that fish. That rain needs to lay off, and it's picking up too. Sure, there's water on the lens, but I know I can get one more. Oh. I've been playing with these picky buggers for years. Uh-oh, get ready. Got him. Yes. Yes. There we go. That's a little bit better. I've said it before, I'll say it again, persistence paid off. Yes. Not too big, I mean, I wouldn't even... Whew. 3 bass, nothing big, nothing huge, for sure. But 3 bass, missed a pike, I love it. Here. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, there you go. Do you have any idea how happy I am that I've caught 3 bass? Like, oh man. You guys know, like, a lot of the times when I'm fishing, and even boat fishing, where I'll catch like, you know, 10 or 20, and I'll film other people catch them, just all that. But hey, 3 fish out here, I'm okay. Gladly take it. I know I've already said it, and I'll say it again. Nothing even big, but hey, it's fish. It's fishing. Shimano, Casitas, Curado. As Matt Goes Fishing would say, Shimano Casitas the movie, right? Right. I don't want to get soaked, so I mean, I don't got nothing against fishing in the rain, but I've got gear to carry and stuff, so maybe give it another 5 minutes. If the rain doesn't quit, load up the car, try another spot that I think I can catch something at, no guarantees, and that'll be it.